right, it's Snow Angel Challenge time. We're gonna do this for Rise Above, nonprofit organization, great organization. My man Matt tagged me. Make sure you donate to this cause. Also, if you're tagged as one of the 10 people in this, make sure you go out and do the Snow Angel. Don't be scared. The snow, embrace it. All the benefits of the cold. Make sure we don't slip on the ice. It's Snow Angel time. See, I'm so used to these cold plunges. This is nothing, man. I love it. Always embrace the cold. Never shiver away from it. My man Wim Hof teach you all the breathing exercises you need on YouTube. Become one. Also, if it's cold or hot, one of the best things for muscle recovery on the planet, just be grounding, man, like in nature. Literally your feet touching the ground, whether it's snow, sand, grass, dirt, you get the grounding benefits. You know, Earth's a magnet, so when you release it, you feel better and you actually recuperate better from muscle soreness and gym workouts. Let's go. I'm tagging 10 of you to do this. Get ready. Yeah.